Relativistic force is the change in relativistic momentum per change in time. First, we will apply the product rule of derivatives in this function. Next, we will apply the chain rule of derivatives in this function. Then, we will solve for the derivative of the Lorentz factor. Now we see that gamma is equal to, and gamma prime is equal to. We simplify using gamma prime. For now, we can factor out dv dt. Luckily, we also have expressions for v squared over c squared, so we can use it. So we now have expressions having full of Lorentz factors. Next, we can write dv dt as acceleration. Then we simplify the gammas. Finally, we have derived the equation for the relativistic force, or the formula for the relativistic second law of motion.